decided to make some dough.
Play-Doh.
Dough Play-Doh. Mine is purplish and hers is bluish. She made a small batch, I made a big one. Mine didn't turn out as good, but it still worked. So we're going to show you the ingredients.
I say 2 small batches.
We're going to show you the ingredients. So you can either use like a plastic thing.
I'm using these.
Or you can use the cupcake holders. So yeah, and then also you'll need something to stir it.
Yeah, this one you don't have to throw away.
Yeah, and you don't have to throw the container away because it's actually really easy to wash off. So let's show you how to do it. Let's get the stuff real quick.
I'll bring like a thing of water over there. Oh, and you do not want to leave these out at all. Like, if you don't play with them for like 10 minutes, it'll
start to get hard.
Like, I was making a second batch, and like it started getting hard, so I had to play with it.
Yeah.
It's like still a little hard.
So I'm going to try an experiment tonight. I'm going to put this in the fridge, and when I wake up in the morning, I'm not saying I will, but when I wake up in the morning, I'm going to take it out and see how hard it is, and then I'll do a YouTube showing how hard it is. Okay? And she will too.
What?
With her little batch.
Little. Let's see which one freezes harder and which one's better.
Yeah, we'll see which one's harder.
Okay, so you need some baking soda.
You need some baking soda.
It would work better if you use cornstarch, but we use flour because we don't have it. No, we are not bringing flour here.
We'll get. So yeah, and then you also need flour and water.
Yeah.
No,
like not a lot of water, and the food dye is optional, but we're not using food dye. We're using like snow cone dye.
Yeah. So we're doing it a little different because we're using flour instead of cornstarch. Our dyes are much different. They're like snow cone dyes, not real food coloring. So it is better with all those other ingredients, but it actually turned out pretty good with what we've got.
Yeah, like
so let's get on to the video.
Sorry about the noise. I'm like trying to wrap my thing up so that it doesn't turn out.
I thought you had another. Oh, you did.
2 others. There's green down here.
There it is. Oh, sorry. Grab those 2.
No, let's just leave those 2 down there because we've already done those 2.
We're showing them. So we have got.
I've done that one, and it's super light.
Yeah, we've got blue, and it's really light.
Purple,
really
light.
Which is light,
and but we haven't done. Green
we haven't done green or red.
I call red.
I call green. So we're not going to do these colors since we already did them. This is how the purple turned out, and
then you already saw the blue. I just put it up next to
the blue. Yeah. So let's do this thing.
Video.
So first to start out with, she's using that. She's going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do this.
Just put not a lot.
So it depends on how
thin layer.
Yeah, it depends how you're making, how big your dough's going to be. If you want it to be like a big ball, you have to put a lot of baking soda in and a lot of cornstarch or flour. And a lot of dye or
I'm making a lot of small ones because, like, then you can stir them up, and I think it ends up better.
So
I'm like a big batch.
I'm gonna show you a big batch, kind of, in the container. So
I forgot what I was doing.
For a big batch, you're gonna need a little bit more than a little batch. Like, and then you're gonna need like.
Then you need some like flour.
A little bit less than
2
flour.
I'm doing 2 pinches of flour in mine.
Yeah, and mine you just do a little bit less than that. So I'm gonna go get some water. You only put a little. I'll show you.
My food dye, I put it in before water. I only put a drop. She puts a lot.
Yeah. So what you're gonna do for the big batch, you're kind of like, if you want to make a huge batch, you gotta make way more than this. But the only thing is, I put a little too much water in it, but that's okay.
You can just add more of everything else. I only put a drop. And like it might bubble. Mine, the first time it bubbled.
Ew.
Like
Ew.
you can't see it now because it's covered. So
Don't eat food coloring.
This it's not food coloring. This
Whatever.
one it's like bright, so I'm gonna add an extra drop. It's like,
And this one,
I'm gonna put the water in it.
I put a lot in, and I don't know why. It's just because I like the colors to be like big and bold, so I'm putting a lot in. And like as you can see, it's bubbling. Too much water on hers. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna start mixing and mixing, and then sooner or later it'll start to get.
You're mean.
What?
Scoot it. So there.
Sooner it'll start to get a little,
Hers is like really
Thin.
bright green, like right now.
That's like a lot. But right now mine is like really drippy droppy, so I'm gonna add more flour or cornstarch. I don't know how it is with cornstarch, but flour works. Flour does the trick.
I'm using like the back of this small spoon that I have. I'm using the back.
It also kind of looks like a little bit of slime.
I like it when it's damp. It like makes it stir better and it doesn't get stuck to it very
So
well.
I'm gonna add a little bit more flour. Flour's the best.
You just moved the camera.
I did? I know. And then as you can see, now it's starting to get Play-Doh because I added more.
Mine is already being Play-Doh-ish. And if you want to, if you don't think the color is bright enough, you can add like more coloring.
Yeah.
And I think like food coloring would actually work better, but
It needs a little
we
bit.
gotta work what we got. So like mine's gonna be bigger than my first batch, but like you can see that it's not very pigmented. So, do you know what pigmented is?
Nope. That's why I'm not going to. That's why I'm gonna let it.
That's how smart she is. She doesn't know what
Oh my
pigment.
God.
It's like bright. Yours is like bright, dude.
I know. That's because I'm bright.
No, it's because you put too much in.
I didn't put too much in.
Look at that.
I
Look
fixed
at
it.
that. It's perfect Play-Doh. Just a little
So
sticky.
mine's sticky. I was gonna say mine's not perfect, but it's sure is sticky too.
Oh my.
But
Really sticky.
so I'm gonna try
Really sticky.
I'm gonna try mine. I want to see how hard my other Play-Doh got. Oh, my Play-Doh got really hard.
Ew, do not pick it up before you put more flour, extra flour. Always put a little too much flour. It's much better when you put too much flour.
So it's a little gooey, not even Play-Doh-ish yet. So I'm gonna add more flour. A lot.
Don't use too much flour.
Shh. It's freaking 8 in the morning. I'm kidding.
No, it's only.
That's what I guessed. This is why you don't pick it up before it's Play-Doh.
Yeah, I just wash off your hand now.
Oh my god, it almost fell off the stairs.
Just an extra pinch,
Oh my god.
or 2, or 3.
What did I do?
Oh my god. You are horrible.
Yes, I am.
Now look how much 3 pinches of flour has changed this. It's not gooey anymore, it's
Goody.
better.
I got a big one.
I'm not a goody two-shoes.
Yes, you are.
Says
Okay,
the girl like not doing anything.
I'm trying to mix
You were washing off your hands.
because I had it all over.
More flour.
Okay, I give up. There's mine.
And 2 more pinches.
How's that for a pinch?
2 more pinches for mine. That's all I do. I go pinch by pinch or 2 pinches at most.
I'm still
Or
adding.
3. Sometimes I do 3.
There it
Oh,
goes.
my thing ripped.
No, there it
It
goes.
ripped.
That's what you get for using that.
Oh, I had it in my hand. I was forcing it into my. Ooh, it's actually really good.
So is mine.
So like
fixed
it's
it.
not sticking to my hands anymore.
You guys
But I
have
still
to like.
I still go like this and I drop it in the dough and then I like pick it up and I like stir it. And
So
not stir
here's
it,
my
but-
Play-Doh. kind of can see it's green. But that's what I made, and that's as far as I'm going to go.
Mine's not very pigmented, but pigmented is color, like deep color, by the way. Never told you that. One sec.
So that's what we have today. So
This one's good. It like stretches.
no, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
So that's what we have today. So thank you for watching, and bye.